Hello traders. The dollar index this week remain on a sideways trend on the weekly charts. So long we have price on this support level and we also have price on this resistance level, it shows that price is currently remain on a sideways trend for this particular level. But the current market structure of the dollar index still remain uptrend. Why this level still remain on a sideways? So what we'll be expecting for the dollar index now, we'll be expecting the dollar index to break above this high before we look at our buying opportunity for price to continue to push higher. Then for our selling scenario, look at our selling opportunity. Price break this low, look at our selling opportunity for the dollar index. So the next thing you have to do now, let's look at the daily chart of the dollar index. The dollar index on my daily chart still currently on a support level also. So long we have price at this support level, we'll be expecting the dollar index to push higher above this level, above this high. Then we'll look out for a buying opportunity for us to price to continue to push higher. So for now, we're staying sideways for the dollar index. So let's look at our next pair, which is the Gbpusd USD. Gbpusd USD on my weekly chart close on this weekly resistance level. So long we have price at this weekly resistance level, we're looking for a selling opportunity for the Gbpusd USD this week. So Gbpusd USD is very, very okay for selling opportunity. So we're looking for our selling opportunity with our target at this region, because we can see from my previous trend, you can see that we have a high, then we also have a lower high, lower high, lower high. So long we have this downtrend structure on the Gbpusd USD, this shows that Gbpusd USD will continue to push lower this coming week. So let's look at the daily chart of the Gbpusd USD. On my daily chart, Gbpusd USD formed a first breakout here. In my previous analysis I posted this week, you can see that we have a first breakout at this top. Then we also have price giving us an inside bar setup for us to continue to push lower for the Gbpusd USD. So look at a selling opportunity on the Gbpusd USD this week with your target at the next weekly resistance level. So look out for a selling opportunity on the Gbpusd USD this week. We're looking for a selling opportunity to the downside on the Gbpusd USD with our stop loss at this top and our target to be on the next weekly resistance level. So that is for the Gbpusd USD. So let's look at our next pair. Our next pair is Euro USD. Euro USD on my weekly chart still close on resistance level. You can see that this level is still what resistance level. We have a resistance level at this place, and you can see the current market structure of the Euro USD still remain on a downtrend. So long we have a downtrend structure and we also have price close on the resistance level, this shows that we are expecting Euro USD to continue to push lower with our first target to this next weekly support level. So let's look at the daily chart of the Euro USD. On my daily chart, you can see that the Euro USD still also have a uptrend structure on the daily chart. You can see that we have a lower low, higher low, higher low. So what we expect for price this week, we expect price to close below this higher low. Then we'll look at our selling opportunity for the Euro USD, which what we expect price to close below this level. Then we'll look at our selling opportunity for the Euro USD. So Euro USD remain on a downtrend for us this week. So look out for your selling opportunity on the Euro USD. So let's look at our next pair, which is the Australia USD. Australia USD on my weekly chart. Let's go to the weekly chart. Australia USD on the weekly chart close on this resistance level. So long we have price at this resistance level, then we also have a downtrend structure. We expect the Australia USD to continue to push lower this coming week. So let's look at the daily chart of the Australia USD. Australia USD also have an uptrend structure here. So long we have this uptrend structure and price tested the low of this structure and reversed back to this area. So we now have the higher high and a lower high. So we can look out for a selling opportunity on the Australia USD to the downside this coming week. So let's look at our next pair, which Usdjpy closed above this support level on the weekly chart. So long price closed above this level on the weekly chart, we expect price to resume uptrend movement from this support level. Let's look at the structure of the weekly chart. From my weekly chart now, you can see that we have a lower low, we have a higher low, we have a higher low. So long we have this market structure, this shows that we have uptrend structure. So what we expect for price on the weekly chart on the USDJPY, we expect price to hit this area, this area of 1.58.746. This area will be our first target, and the next resistance level we expect price to hit is 1.61.82 area. This area will be our next resistance level. We expect the USDJPY as our next target. So let's look at the daily chart of the USDJPY. On my daily chart, we also have price close on this support level. So long we have price close on this support level, and we also have a downtrend structure of inner structure on the USDJPY, which is we have a higher high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So long we don't have this downtrend structure, for our buying scenario now, we're waiting for price to go above this lower high. Then we'll look out for a buying opportunity around this region to our first target. A break of this first target, we're looking for a price to retest and continue to push higher for the USDJPY. The gold USD. Gold USD still remain uptrend, but we'll be expecting price to do a retest of the weekly level before we look out for a possible buying opportunity. What we expect for gold USD, we expect price to do a retest of this level, then we'll look out for a buying opportunity. Then our selling scenario, we're looking out for a price to close below this level, then we'll look out for a selling opportunity for the gold USD. So gold USD still remain uptrend this coming week. So let's look at the daily chart of the gold USD. Gold USD on my daily chart still have a uptrend structure. So for us to buy gold USD now, we're looking for a buying opportunity on this weekly resistance level. So we'll be looking for a buying opportunity on the resistance level. So we expect price to come to this area and give you a price action candlestick setup, then look for a buying opportunity to the top side. We created a price action trading course with proven track record. You can click the description below to get the link to purchase this course. If you find this weekly analysis helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in my next video.